guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're in a different spot in my home because I needed more room. My corner is just a little too tiny, and actually I'm planning on relocating. We'll see. Today, as you can see, we have a Fabfitfun box. This is the fall 2021 Fabfitfun box. So I'm really excited about opening this. I gotta tell you though, fall wasn't as exciting as the other seasons. I wasn't that excited. So if you wanna know what I got in my Fabfitfun box, then keep on watching. Look at this box. It's beautiful, right? Super beautiful. It's got the fall leaves. You've got the Fabfitfun logo. I like the simplicity of it all. Let's open the box. I already peeked in, guys. I kind of know what I'm getting because I had to like rearrange some of the items were outside of the box when they arrived. So this actually was in an even bigger box. And look how beautiful the inside looks. Right? There's the magazine, Fabfitfun magazine, and something changed with the magazine. It doesn't have the information that I need because before that, Fabfitfun had like the different choices per category and the pricing of each item. Now I can't really calculate how much the items are, but if I can find it, I will definitely put it up on the screen as I unbox the item. Customization 1, I'm really not sure what was in customization 1 now that they don't have all that information that you need. So I'm just gonna pick the biggest one here in the box, okay? You guys can probably see it already. Look at this Dutch oven. How cute is that? It's let's see here. Look at this. It's such a nice size for like a family of 4. I feel like definitely nice quality and it's so beautiful. I can't wait to use this and make like soups. It has a stainless steel rim, durable, lightweight, non-stick. You can cook it in the broiler. You can bake, so the whole thing goes inside the oven, so that's nice. So this piece can withstand extreme temperature and it is dishwasher safe. So that is gonna be a plus for me because if I can avoid dishwashing, then I'm all for it. So look how pretty this is, guys. Oh my gosh. It is gorgeous. The magazine has good information about how to use the products that you get, but I just wish the pricing was there. So I'm just gonna close it. Dutch oven, definitely a plus. I wanna say that 90% of Fabfitfun members might have chosen this because it's just that pretty, right? So there are some cards. You have $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. So if you are interested, definitely check that out. You have Nourish, 50% off your first month. Nutrition delivered daily. I've never heard of this brand before, but that is something. Of course, America's #1 meal, HelloFresh. I've always wanted to try this, but I have to say it's really expensive. This is not as economical, I want to say. I mean, the meals are delicious. And I've seen a lot of people make the meals online. I'm all about making a big dish where there's leftovers for the next day. So as a family, we try to cook like maybe 4 dishes, but each dish should be enough to feed another set of 4 people for a second time around. So I like to have leftovers, and I think according to my friend Mare, who actually has tried these meals, she said that the portions are just right. They're not small, but they are just right for the number of people that you're serving. I like my portions to be big. I've got a teenager at home and he can eat up a storm, so I need big servings for sure. The next item that I got is actually on my neck. I'll try to do a close-up of this, guys, but love this necklace. It's so dainty and small. And it's Coach. I wonder how much this is. When I bought this, I knew the earrings was a little a little kind of childish for me, but I wanted a necklace that was as dainty as this. So I didn't wear the earrings, but I have this beautiful necklace on, and it's exactly how I expected it to be. I didn't want it to be low wearing. It was just close enough to the neck without being a choker. And then this is the earrings. This reminds me of an earring that I used to have when I was a child. This is definitely good for like tweens or younger. Cute packaging. You have the little baggie. It's gold plated, and this is rose gold plated. It looks like a very coppery gold, but I really like it, especially for fall. Let's see what the next one is. Oh, okay, so I got socks. I think this was like customization for, and it's Frye boot socks. And you know, I wear boots. I do need to update my socks. I have very few pairs of boot socks, maybe, I don't know, 3 to 4. So it's nice to update this. This feels super, super soft. So I felt like in this category specifically, I distinctly remember there wasn't any item that I was really excited about. And so I thought, okay, why not socks? We all need that during the winter time. So I got it, and I'm so glad I got it. My friend Everything Proof Beauty, her name is Jessica. She actually buys these socks from Nordstrom, and she said that it's very high quality, very luxe, pretty expensive. I'm not sure. I'll put the pricing of this pair here somewhere on the screen. But yeah, I'm glad I got it. It's something that I need. Probably not as excited about, but it's definitely something that I need. Next one, guys. This is the Dose & Co. Pure Collagen, Unflavored Collagen Peptides. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I heard somewhere, now do your own research, but I heard somewhere that collagen is best to take in. Like the topical collagen in skincare aren't as effective as the ones that you drink. So I'm so glad that this was an option. I felt like a lot of the customizations for this season was actually pretty skincare heavy. So this is the only one that I felt like very unique. You would take 4 teaspoons of this powder, this collagen powder, and put it either in your milk, coffee, or any type of drink that you'd like, or even make a smoothie out of it. Why not add this step to my drink, right? Let's see how it looks like. Ooh. I wonder if it comes with a spoon. This is what it looks like. It looks very powdery and milky. So I thought there was like a wooden spoon in here somewhere. Okay, there's that other item. The next item is this True Moringa Shea and Moringa Balm Moisturizing Balm for hands and body. Love the packaging. Look at that. Nice bright yellow. It just reminds me of, you know, fall leaves when they're turning like this, orange yellow. So cute. My hands are dry right now. I actually forgot to put on lotion before I started to film, so it's a bomb though. Ooh. Oh my goodness, it's super thick. Guys, I'm so afraid that it's just gonna explode. Okay, it is thick, like it won't even come out of the tube. This is what it looks like right here. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's no scent. There's like a kind of an earthy scent to it. I would definitely put this on my cuticles, I think. It just feels very balmy, guys. Like oily, thick. I don't know if I like this. I would use it on my cuticles, maybe on my elbows and knees. Like that's what this would be really good for. But all over my body is just way too thick and oily and balmy like Aquaphor. So not my favorite. The last 6 to 8 items, guys, is actually a bundle. There was a lot of bundles that I was hoping to get, and since I'm a seasonal member, I didn't get to choose all of the customizations from 1 through 8. I was only able to choose the first 4 customizations as a seasonal member. So I know what I'm getting already. for 6 through 8, I got a lip balm. I remember opening this. I use every lip balm I get, guys, in any of my boxes. I just use it and I go through them really quick. So very balmy. There's no scent. This is from the brand Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm. I might give this to my husband or my daughter. With Fabfitfun, I love that I get to share the products with my husband or my daughter because it's lifestyle. Like, it's not just beauty or makeup, even skincare, everyone in the family can benefit from. I guess from this bundle, I'm most excited about the eyelash curler. And this is from Babe Lash Pro Lash Lifter. I was just thinking the other day that I needed to update my lash curler. I think the eyelash curler that I have is like 3 or 4 years old and it was from Tarte. And I remember it wasn't the perfect fit for my eyes too because it keeps pinching the outer corner of my eyes every time I try to curl my lashes. So part of buying an eyelash curler is really finding the right fit for your eye shape because everybody's eye shape is different. Hopefully this will be a good one. I love the rose gold color, so very nice. And the last item in the bundle is the Zoe Ayla eco-friendly comb set. So it's a very eco-friendly material. It's a set of 2 types of tooth comb, one a large one and one a small one. I mean, it's cute. It's actually really cute. The colors are super cute. The only time I use this is when I color or dye my hair. So I might be able to get a lot of use out of that. I just know it's gonna stain, you know, so the color won't stay as cute as this right now. This one is really cute. I use this a lot. I mean, every day. I already own one, but I have like one that I've been using for the last 10-20 years, literally. So I'm just glad that I can have something new to use. Not bad. So that is my 6 through 8 bundle. So how do you guys feel about my box? I feel like before they changed it up to bundles, we were able to get like bigger items for 6, 7, and 8 product here in our box. So I feel like it kind of downgraded a bit. But it all depends if you like the products that you're getting. So I was hoping I would get that mani pedi set in the bundle, but I didn't get that. I'll put the overall price of the box here somewhere on the screen. I did pay $49.99 or $49.95 for a seasonal membership. That means you get to pay that 4 times a year: fall, winter, spring, and summer. If you want to watch my other Fabfitfun unboxings, I'll put it up here in the description box. I've done quite a few. I've been a Fabfitfun member for quite a while now. And speaking of which, if you haven't seen my Fabfitfun mystery box giveaway, a collab that I'm doing with Jackie Naturals and Vanessa from Vanessa Beauty, definitely check that out. You guys need to enter that giveaway. We're giving away a whole Fabfitfun mystery box and you think you're gonna like it. So watch all 3 of our videos. So now let's get into my add-ons, guys. It's not that much, but I think I like my add-ons a little bit more than my box this season. Isn't that bad? Anyway, so I got some masks. They were on sale for like $1 something, I think. And this is from the brand Arm. Super soft and silky. It's like 2-layered. My daughter and I are definitely gonna be able to use this. It just feels super soft. Hopefully it's gonna be comfortable around the ear. So I got 2 of the same styles. And then I got a green one. So here's the green one. Just reminds me of fall. Super cute. So I like it. I think my daughter has a smaller face shape. It might fit her better. Just me trying it on, it feels a little snug. I did do an add-on, guys. I got this jump rope and 3 months of free workouts from Camp Gladiator. So I think these are gonna be like an online workout, and there's gonna be live workout routines. It's supposed to be valued at $177. I don't know about that. So once you sign up, you get that online membership to Camp Gladiator. And I'm the type of person that needs structure. Actually, I definitely need someone to tell me how to work out, to give me a workout routine. Here's the jump rope. And as you guys know, I'm trying my best to be on a workout journey. I wanted to work out more than like once or 2 times a week. And it's hard to juggle that with work and kids and my kids' activities. Anything that will get me to work out for the next 3 months, I'm all for it. So that's why I got these. But yeah, look at this. Very good quality jump rope. If you guys want to see my unboxings of the Ellie workout gear, definitely check that out. I'll put it up here or over here. I stocked up on Dr. Brandt's microdermabrasion age-defying exfoliator. Now when this goes on sale, even at the Fabfitfun website, it usually goes on sale for like $37 or $40, but this time it went on sale for $19, and so I had to, right? My favorite exfoliator. It has micro beads. My son and I share this. Actually, it's been really great for his skin, my skin. Whenever I have acne, this is my go-to. I exfoliate, and within 2 days, I feel like my cystic acne is on the way to recovery. So highly recommend this. This is not for sensitive skin, I have to say. This is normally like $70, guys, price-wise, and I got it for $19, so it's such a good deal. And then the last thing in my box are Spon Gel. Of course, right? Everybody loves Spon Gel in this house. This is in the scent Berry Blossom. Love this scent. I love this also because this is a great gift to give to someone. I mean, who wouldn't want a shower? This is something that's universal. Anybody can use. Anybody will enjoy getting it. And then, of course, I got some more. This is the Spon Gel Private Reserve Collection in Citrus Petals Vanilla Fondant. And you can get up to 30 uses. There's 2 body wash infused buffers in here. So let me show you. Look at the packaging though. You can't beat the packaging. It's not shaped as flowers, but oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is in the scent Citrus Petals. Has a little bit of vanilla scent, but not too strong because I'm not a big fan of vanilla. But look how thick this is compared to this one right here. And I got a set of 2, so I think this was 1 set for $7 or a set of 2 for $11. So this was a good deal. That is it, guys. That is everything in my box. What do you guys think so far? For me personally, I don't think it's the best box that I've ever gotten from Fabfitfun, but to this day, it still remains Fabfitfun is my favorite lifestyle box. So I definitely stand by it, especially if you are an annual member. You get to choose every single item in the box. So you're gonna love everything that you get. So that is everything in my box, my fall Fabfitfun box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to check our Fabfitfun mystery box giveaway with Jackie and Vanessa. I'll also link those videos in the description box below. I have some starter boxes also available. If you are interested, comment it down below and I'll send you a starter box. All you have to do is pay $5 shipping here in the United States, and you get like $75 worth of products from Fabfitfun, which is an amazing deal. And with that said, I hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!